If you've ever wondered how artificial intelligence works, what terms like GPT, API, machine learning, and LLMs mean, or why they're so important, you're in the right place. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down these concepts in clear and practical terms, so let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to systems or machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks include things like recognizing speech, making decisions, translating languages, and more. AI isn't a single technology. It's a field that combines computer science, mathematics, data, and algorithms to create systems that can mimic aspects of human thought. Think of AI as an umbrella term. Underneath it, you have specialized branches like machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. AI's history goes back to the 1950s when researchers began experimenting with the idea of teaching machines to think. Today, AI powers everything from our smartphones to self-driving cars. So let's talk about machine learning. Machine learning is one of the core building blocks of modern AI. Instead of programming a system with specific instructions, machine learning involves teaching a system to identify patterns and make predictions based on the data. The process can be broken into three main steps. First is feeding the system data, training it using algorithms, and then lastly, testing its ability to generalize new situations. For example, when Netflix recommends you a show, or when YouTube recommends you one of these videos, both platforms are using machine learning to predict what you'll enjoy based on your past viewing habits and preferences of millions of other users that might be similar to you. It's all about finding patterns in massive amounts of data. Now, let's talk about GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT models are designed to process and generate human-like text. They're called pre-trained because they're trained on enormous data sets. Think of billions of words before being fine-tuned for specific tasks like answering questions or drafting emails. GPT doesn't just repeat information. It predicts what comes next in a sentence based on context. Now let's talk about large language models, or LLMs. These are a type of AI models specifically designed to process and generate language. GPT, which we discussed earlier, is an example of an LLM. These models are trained on vast data sets. Everything from books to websites are capable of understanding and generating text at an impressive scale. LLMs are transforming industries. They're used in healthcare to summarize medical records, in education to create personalized learning materials for students, and even in software development to code. Now let's talk about APIs. APIs, or application programming interfaces, might not sound as flashy as AI or machine learning, but they're just as critical. APIs are the tools that let software programs talk to one another. When you use a weather app, it's an API that fetches data from the remote server and displays it on your phone. Think of APIs as translators. They simplify complex interactions between systems, enabling everything from online payments to social media integrations. Without APIs, many of the conveniences we take for granted in our phones and our apps and websites wouldn't exist. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here. It's shaping the world around us in ways both big and small. Whether it's machine learning, recommending your next favorite show, or GPT assisting you with your projects, or APIs keeping your apps connected, understanding these technologies is the first step to harnessing their potential. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments which topics within AI you'd like me to cover next. The world of AI is vast and it's quickly evolving. Lastly, I have a few resources and links down below for you all to take advantage of. Check those out. If you guys have any questions or ideas, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.